creating a unique and attractive flavor for meat foods. By using this machine, it becomes easier to mix and combine spices, ensuring each piece of meat is evenly and perfectly seasoned. With its flexibility and high performance, meat seasoning mixers not only help create meat products with unique flavors, but also improve the productivity and efficiency of the food production process. This makes spice mixers an indispensable part of the modern food industry. The powerful feeling and presence of the sharp blade is undeniable as it crushes frozen meat. With precision and power, this blade turns substantial chunks of meat into small, uniform granules ready for further processing. Every time the knife cuts through, it's a new step forward in the meat processing process, from creating uniformity in texture to bringing out the meat's maximum flavor. Chicken meat processing machine is one of the important equipment in the food industry, playing an important role in preparing and processing chicken according to industrial processes. Looking at the chicken processing machine, you can feel its power and efficiency from separating meat, slicing it, crushing it, and processing it into final products such as minced meat, meat pieces, or ready-to-be products. Chicken processing machines help increase production efficiency while ensuring product uniformity and quality. The use of automatic horizontal candy drawing machine with PLC system brings many significant benefits to the candy production process. PLC systems allow for precise and flexible automation and control of production processes, helping to increase performance and product quality. The automatic horizontal candy pulling machine is designed to automatically stretch and cut candies into desired sizes and shapes. The flexibility of the PLC system allows adjusting many different parameters such as pulling speed, thickness, and length of the candy, thereby creating quality and uniform products. Have you ever wondered how candies are shaped? This will be the answer tree for you. The process of creating candy begins with the preparation of a mixture of candy ingredients, followed by the process of molding the candy into molds or molds. The molds can be made from materials such as silicone, plastic, or metal, depending on the type of candy in desired shape. Once the candy mixture is poured into the mold, it is placed in a cold or cool environment to freeze the candy and keep its shape. This process often requires a high degree of professionalism and technique to ensure that the details of the candy are beautiful and attractive and can take a lot of effort and time to perfect a uniquely shaped candy product.
What is the largest John Deere corn planter? Introduce John Deere DB120. It is estimated that the planter should sow 90 to 100 acres per hour at 5 to 5.5 miles per hour ground speed. This means that in a 12-hour day it will plant almost 2 sections of land. Versabar designed a new underwater lifting device called the Claw. Controlled by the VB10000 system, the machine performed various lifting operations for different structures at depths of up to 500 feet below the surface. Time may pass, but the Cat 992 large wheel loader still sets the standard for class size in over 50 years. Compared to the 992K, the new 992 has made a breakthrough improvement with up to 48% increased productivity. The increasing number of cars in the world has led recycling them to become an international issue. But that can't stop the demolition machine, which removes parts and sorts valuable materials efficiently. Witness the rage of the Monster D11, specially designed to handle large-scale earth-moving projects. Steel pipe piles play an important role in supporting the foundation, and you're witnessing the machine. Say goodbye to the dusty construction site and come to the vast field with the appearance of the agricultural monster. With an impressive working width of 56 meters, imagine it could cover an entire hectare of wheat in just one go. Gosho is the largest grab dredger in the world.
This sorting machine helps eliminate substandard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of the right weight and quantity. Expectation. Imagine when you bite into a cherry. Its sweet and cool taste spreads throughout the palate, creating an enjoyable and pleasurable experience. Cherry is not just a fruit, but also an emotion, a wonderful experience that you cannot ignore. In the food industry, blueberry packing and sorting machine lines have become one of the most important innovations, helping to optimize production processes and improve product quality. With a combination of advanced technology and automation, this line not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures packaging and grading of blueberries takes place accurately and efficiently.